Apple's base model iPhone 18 is probably not going to arrive until spring 2027, but the rumor mill already has a lot to say about the device. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Apple might be shaking up its legendary launch calendar in a way no one saw coming. Rumors suggest that iPhone 18 isn't hitting store shelves in the usual September slot. Instead, Apple's holding back the standard model until early 2027 to ensure smooth supply chains and keep the buzz alive, leaving only the high-end Pro models to grab the spotlight in late 2026. When this fresh gadget finally makes its grand debut, it might sport a surprisingly sneaky secret. While budget-friendly models usually get second-tier power, the basic iPhone 18 is expected to rock the brand new 2nm A20 chip, making it up to 15% faster and way more power efficient. To supercharge those slick AI features, memory's getting a massive bump too. Leakers are clashing over whether fans will get 12GB of RAM or an unheard of 9GB. But either way, performance is getting a major kick. Visually, Apple isn't doing much, but there are a few tweaks. The phone will stick to its sleek 6.3-inch display, but dynamic island cutout might shrink just a bit. On the side, the somewhat camera control button could get simplified or disappear entirely if Apple decides shoppers aren't loving it. Over on the back, Apple might finally ditch its longtime partner Sony to slap on brand new ultra-responsive Samsung image sensors, though the rest of the camera setup remains a closely guarded mystery. So if you were planning to upgrade your everyday basic phone this fall, you might want to wait. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.